What's going on YouTube? Cody here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to restring your guitar or change the strings. I was looking through videos my first time. I didn't really get what they were saying because they were saying stuff on the guitar that I didn't know what the name was because I was just beginning. And my uncle had shown me. They had tools that I didn't have. So they were doing things that I couldn't do. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to change your strings on your guitar with simple tools. Tool number one is a flathead screwdriver. Number two is wire cutters. And tool number three is a tuner, so you can tune your guitar. And then your new strings, and type of strings that you get. It's basically all on comfort. I use these. Basically, I went to Guitar Center. I asked the guy's opinion. He showed me this brand, and he goes, the different gauges is basically all on the guitar player. However, what's more comfortable to you. So if you're just beginning, I'd get the light gauge, like what I have right here, and just try out all different type of gauges. I guarantee you'll find a difference in each one, and you'll find one that you really like, and I really like these. So, first things first, what we are going to do is we're going to take our guitar and we're going to loosen the strings. So basically, if you don't know which way it is, usually on guitars it's right to loosen. You just need to see how the person who last tuned your or restringed your guitar, how he did it. So you'd play the top chord and then you'd see which one's making it lower. So you're going to do that to all of them. So once you have loosened all the strings, as you see it is out of tune and loosen, you're going to take your string and you're going to push up on them. Let me get closer. You're going to push up and then you're going to just try to take the string off. So how you do this is that, and then you're gonna there's string one, and you're gonna do that all around. Okay, so now that you got all the strings off, as you see this, I have all the strings off from my guitar. They're still connected over here. So I'm gonna scoot this over, and this is where the flathead comes in. So if you look right here, you have these little guys. So what I'm gonna do is basically take my flathead, put it in between, and then pop them out. So pop, you pull that out. And put these guys to the side. And then you can pull out the string. So you do that to each one until you have all the strings off. And then each one of these you're just going to put to the side. I just put them right next to my guitar. Let me Okay. Once you get all the strings off, put them in a little circle at a time. That way all the strings are together, and then I throw it to the side. We don't need them anymore. You can just throw them away. Okay. So now that we have the strings off, you can take this opportunity to clean your neck, basically clean your guitar. So I'm gonna do that, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just cleaned my guitar. Basically I just took a wipe and then cleaned the bridge, or the neck. You can take this off and clean that, and that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll be back. Okay, so I just cleaned that, and now we can put on the new strings. So I'm gonna take out my strings, which are right here. Let's open this up. They already have them ready for me. So I'm gonna take the silver one, which is the low E string, which is right here. They have these little rings right here. To focus. These little. Won't focus. So these little rings right here. You're gonna put them inside this, this hole right here, and I'm gonna fix the guitar, the camera, so you can see that better. So I just repositioned the camera so you can see what I'm doing better. I'm gonna take the low E string, and I'm gonna put it in where the low E string will be, which is the string that is closest to you while you're playing. I'm just gonna stick it through there. And then you're going to take one of your stoppers, which I have right here. If you look, they have an indent. That indent is going to point towards the neck of your guitar. And that's where the string is going to come be in. So I'm going to put that in there. And push it in, but not all the way. I'm going to hold it with my finger, and then I'm going to pull on the string until I can't pull the string no more. Which is right there. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to push it in. So now I'm going to take my low E string, put it to the side, and then I'm going to put my A string, which is this one right here, and I'm going to put it right in here. And I'm going to do the same thing. Put this in. Hold it. When you can't pull the string no more, push it down. And you're gonna do that to all your strings. If you need to know which string is which, like this is low E, this one's gonna be a D. I'm gonna have that put on the screen right now. So that's basically to help you to know what string you're going to be putting it on, putting in order. So yeah, I'm going to do that to all of them now, and I will be back when I am finished. Okay, so I got all these in now. Now I'm going to straighten them, and then we're going to go to the end of the neck, which is that way, and I'm going to show you what you need to do next. So right here I have all the strings right here, and then we're going to put them in here, and then we're going to tighten it. So how we're going to do this is mine has 3 on each side, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And if your guitar is like this, which is most acoustics are, this one is going to be the low E. The second one's going to be A. this one's gonna be a D, this one's gonna be a G, this one's gonna be a B, and then this one's gonna be the high E. So I'm gonna take my low E, which is the first one right here. I'm gonna put it through the hole. Like that. And then I'm gonna pull. I'm gonna actually straighten this out here. Straighten this out so it's easier to pull. So what we're gonna do is I like to leave a little jiggle room for you to pull on it, and then hold it like this with my hand so it keeps straight, and then we're gonna do lefty loosey to tighten them. To tighten your guitar string. And this actually prevents less stress on this right here. So that's how you're supposed to do it. So I'm gonna do that. Tighten it. You don't have to tune it right away. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm just making it so it doesn't move on me while I'm doing the other strings. You see I can make a sound with it now. But it is not tuned. And then we're going to do it with the A. Same thing with the A. Leave some jiggle room to be able to hold it. And then we are going to lefty loosey to tighten it. And then there are tools to help you do this faster. I use my hand. So I'm gonna do the rest of these, and then I'll be back on this one to re-show you how to do that. Okay, so I am on my last string. So I'm gonna re-show you how to do it. While I was doing these, I thought what I thought when they said leave a little room. How much room? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these the thicker ones, which is the first 4. I put 3 fingers on the 7th fret and hold it with my left hand, and that's how tight it should be. With these thinner ones, I use 2. So 7th fret, 2 fingers. That's how much wiggle room there should be. So, move my guitar over here. I'm gonna put it in here and pull. Now I still have some room, so I'm gonna go over here to the 7th fret and then tighten it with my left hand. I can. 2 fingers. That's how much room you should have. You go back over here. I marked it, and then lefty loosey to tighten your strings. Now when you're doing this, you want to put them in the grooves so that they stay in place. And I'll show you. So once you're done, you have all your strings on your guitar. I'm gonna go back over here I'm going to look at these guys right here, and I'm just going to push them down again. Just to be, you know, sure that they're pushed down. And I'm going to go back over here. And if you look at mine, see how the strings go over and then on the inside they curve. So they start curving from the inside and not the outside. So they go this way and not this way. On the top one, and then this one goes this way. So these three are going to be counterclockwise, and then these three are clockwise. So now what you're going to do is use your wire cutters, and then you're going to cut this axe or the long stuff off. So what I do is I try, since it's before tuning, I just cut, give it like 1.5 inches. So, 1.5 inches, so you still have long ones on all of them. So what this is doing is allowing me to tune the guitar without those long strings on the guitar. So now we are going to tune our guitar. Now I'm going to warn you, the tuning on these strings is going to take a while because the strings have to come in. So you're gonna tune all of them, and then you're gonna try to play it. It's gonna be off tune, and the reason why is because you're putting when you're tightening them, the strings loosen. It's not this or nothing, or it's not your guitar. It's the strings, and they're basically just stretching. So once you hit that point of stretching, they will stay in tune. So I like to tune it a good 8 times when I first string them, and then the next day string them again. And you're going to do that for a good month. Is every time you pick this up, you're going to want to tune it before you play it. The reason for that is so that the strings can stretch and basically get worn. And after a month, you don't have to do it every time you pick it up and play it, because the string will be basically used to being in tune. So yeah, I'm going to tune this, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, so I tuned the guitar. It's all tuned. So now we're going to take these and we're going to cut them shorter. So the length that I like, I want to say it's around 2 centimeters. So about that thin. So right where my finger is in. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back. Okay, so I just cut the thing shorter, and then now your guitar is ready to go and play. So go have fun. Remember to tune your guitar every time you pick it up. Since they are new strings, they still need to stretch. But other than that, just play your guitar how you usually do. Yeah, hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys like that. Yeah, just hit that like button and that subscribe button. If you guys would like anything like tutorials, put that in the comments. If there was anything in this video that you didn't understand, maybe you need more things, put that in the comments too. I'd be glad to look into that and help you. Yeah, so that's it for the video. I'm hoping on doing more videos related to guitar, maybe some vlogs, and basically what's going on in my life. So yeah, just hit that like button and then subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.